How to change or edit voice on a video in InShot video editor. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can change a voice on your video in InShot video editor. Now the process is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through quick with this video. Simply open up your InShot video editor, tap on the video option that you can see on the screen, tap on new and select the video that you wish to edit the voice from. Now I'll just select a video here quickly. And here, if I play it, you can listen to it. Now you just listen to it. Now in order to change it, what you want to do is tap on the video, swipe to the right until you find the option volume, tap on volume option and tap on extract audio. Once you extract it, the video and the audio will be separated. Now what you want to do is swipe to the right on the list of options. Once you select and tap on the audio, then tap on voice effect option. And you can switch it to the effect that you wish to change to. So this way you can change voice in video editor in InShot. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.